Let's find out the image formation by a convex lens for different positions of the object from it. A convex lens on a stand, a candle with flame and a paper screen to capture the image are taken on a horizontal surface as shown. Positions of the center of curvature 2F1, 2F2, focal points F1, F2 and pole O are marked from the convex lens. When the object, that is the candle, is placed at infinity, how is the image formed? Adjust the position of the screen until you get a sharp image. We can see that a bright point-sized image is formed on the screen when the screen is in the position F2. With the candle placed beyond the position 2F1, adjust the screen until you get a sharp, bright image of the candle flame on it. We can see that a clear, magnified, inverted image of flame is formed when the screen is placed beyond 2F2. With the candle placed at F1, adjust the position of the screen. We can see that an image could not be captured on the screen at a very large distance. This can be verified with the help of ray diagram. Here, we can see that a highly enlarged image is formed at infinity. With the candle placed between F1 and O, adjust the position of the screen. Here, we can't capture the image on the screen. From the ray diagram, we can see that the image can't be formed behind the lens. Thus, it is a virtual image. Hence, we find that image formed by the convex lens is real or virtual, magnified, same-sized or diminished, erect or inverted for different positions of the object.